Everybody Worries, a picture book for children who are worried about coronavirus, by John Burgerman. Everybody Worries, by John Burgerman, Oxford University Press. Even the bravest of the brave and the coolest of the cool can worry about something big or worry about something small. Even the toughest of the tough and the smartest of the smart can be worried by noises they hear in the dark. What you find worrying, others might find fun. Worries aren't always the same for everyone. But sometimes an event turns the world upside down, and everybody worries and wears a long frown. Worrying is normal when so much has changed. It's okay to worry when things don't stay the same. Your head might ache and your heart beat quickly as worries rise like a wave and make you feel sickly. So let's talk to each other, we might all feel the same. Let's draw our worries and give them a name. Let's take 3 breaths, slow and deep. Let's exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep. Let's speak to our family and friends on the phone. Let's paint beautiful rainbows to show we're not alone. Sharing our worries can make us feel better. Showing our feelings brings us together. It's okay to be worried, but things won't last forever. We can overcome anything when we are there for each other. The end.